Welcome to Shenyang Libida Steel Group. We are a leading manufacturer specializing in steel structure building industry, dedicated to delivering high-quality steel structure products to global clients. Our 20,000 square meter plant is equipped with the advanced automation and the technology. Let me show you around. This structure drives the welding gun to move along the length direction of the edge steel to achieve automatic full welding. In the final step, the steel parts are spray painted with a protective coating in this area.